Hey guys, Hermeet here from Photo Insomnia, and today I want to talk about smartphone and editing and removing distractions from the images just using your smartphone. So no Photoshop necessary. But before we get started, if you like my channel and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload any new videos. So what I want to talk about today is taking photos with your smartphone or taking them with your camera and then loading them and editing them on your smartphone. And today we're particularly going to talk about how to clone things out. As you can see here in this image, the image is a portrait, but there is a distracting element in the background. And what I want to show you is how to remove that distraction just on your smartphone. So we're going to start by opening up Snapseed, which is a free app. Open and locate the photo that you want to edit on your smartphone. This is the photo I'm going to be editing. This was taken on my Fujifilm X-T2 camera. So what we can see is the image is great. However, the boy in the background is a little bit of a distraction. If he wasn't there in the frame, then it would be a much nicer and powerful image. The people in the background are not much of an issue because they provide a bit of a sense of scale for the image, so we can see how big the bridge is, how long it is. So that's providing a little bit of perspective there. So with the edit function, what we want to look for is, so we're going to look for the healing option here, which is going to open up the heal brush. So what I'm going to do here is use two fingers to zoom in on the image. Move the slider here so I can see what we need to remove. And what we're going to do is just tap on the head there at the top and just drag our finger down, making sure we cover the edge. We don't want to go too far into the grass, but just that much there. So you can see what I have masked, which the software will try and heal now. At the bottom of the little bridge there, it looks like it has been properly touched. So I'm going to just tap there. I'm going to tap there. No, that doesn't work. So back up a little bit, undo. I'm just going to tap gently here and drag to the left. That's better. And do that here once more. Do that here. A bit more. Sometimes you have to do repeated healing on the image so that it looks unique. It doesn't look retouched. So, you know, gentle and small steps generally I find work really well. And now it doesn't look like that it's been actually retouched. It looks fairly natural, so let's zoom back out on the image and you can see the difference there. Now on the top right there's the icon to tap to see the before and after. So that's the boy there, and now he's gone, and you can see that already makes the image look much nicer. Your eyes are focused on the subject of the image and not really distracted by background elements. Alright, there you go. There's the final image, and all of this done on your smartphone. So I hope you found this video useful. Once again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell somewhere over there so you get notified next time I upload a video. Thanks again for tuning into this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.